Today I'm cooking egg fried rice. It's one of the simplest and basic version of fried rice, yet it's very tasty and satisfying. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of cooked rice. I am using a day-old rice for its texture. 3 eggs, 300 grams of frozen mixed vegetable, defrosted, 80 grams of yellow onion cut into cubes, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 red chilli with the seeds removed and cut into pieces, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, and 3 tablespoons of garlic oil. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, break the eggs. I am breaking them in a separate bowl to ensure that none of them are bad before adding to the rest. All done and all are good. Set aside. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic oil and let it heat up for 1 minute. After the oil is hot, spread it around the non-stick pan. Add all the chopped onions. Fry them for about 50 seconds or until aromatic and slightly translucent. Then add all the mixed vegetables and all the salt. Stir to mix evenly. Let them fry for about 1.5 minutes or until cooked. After 1.5 minutes, the vegetables are well cooked. Pour in all the rice. Spread them around the pan and breaking any large lump. Then add the seasoning, sesame oil, half of the crispy fried garlic, oyster sauce, the chopped chilies, and 1 tablespoon of garlic oil. Stir the rice and seasoning for about 2 minutes or until well combined and the rice become a nice and even color. Press any small lumps of rice with the back of the spatula to break them. After 2.5 minutes, the seasonings are well distributed. The rice is very fluffy and is of an even color. Push the rice to the side of the pan so that half of the pan bottom is exposed. We are going to cook the eggs here. Pour the remaining of garlic oil, all the eggs, and light soy sauce. Without touching the rice, quickly stir the eggs while they are still cooking to break and evenly distribute the yolk and seasoning. When the bottom of the egg is getting cooked and forming a thin skin, push the rice to the top of the eggs. Slightly stir the rice to spread the egg at the bottom of the pan. Let it rest for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, the eggs layer at the bottom of the pan should be cooked. Stir the rice to break the bit of eggs and spread them throughout the pan. The egg is still slightly wet. Let it cook in the pan for another minute, stirring occasionally. After 1 minute, the egg is cooked and the rice is quite dry. Give it a taste. Delicious! More seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's perfect. Switch off the heat and our simple and delicious egg fried rice is ready. It can be dished out and served. Garnish with the rest of the crispy fried garlic for a lovely fragrance and serve with sliced red chili drizzled with light soy sauce. Let's eat! Very delicious. The flavors are very simple yet still tasty and comforting. This egg fried rice is very suitable for a quick meal with leftover rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!